As I look back to my educational career, there's one individual as a teacher that clearly stands out. He was my ninth grade social studies teacher at Limerick North Junior High School. And one day during recess, he saw me playing lacrosse out in the yard. And he came up to me and said, "Randy, you're going to play lacrosse for me, aren't you?" And I said, "No, Mr. Seaman, I'm a baseball player." He said, "No, you're going to play lacrosse for me." I said, "Well, I like baseball better." He said, "I'm your social studies teacher, and you're going to play lacrosse for me." So I obviously played lacrosse for Tony Seaman. I played lacrosse for him for 4 years throughout high school, okay, where he was a mentor. He was an individual who was highly respected by all staff and faculty, and his classrooms in ninth grade were something different. Back in the day, you never knew what to expect when you walked into Tony Seaman's classroom. He would have group activities, he would have us doing debates, he would have us doing learning strategies and involved in educational practices that were so far beyond the years back in the 60s. He was a great man, and I just found out today that he's continuing his lacrosse career. He went from Limerick High School. He had several college coaching stints, C.W. Post, University of Pennsylvania. He was a head coach at Johns Hopkins for years. He was a head coach at Towson State. And I recently found out that he's back coaching a high school team in Boca Raton, Florida. And all I can say is those students, those high school lacrosse players, those young men are definitely gifted, okay, to have Tony Seaman working with them.